Experiencing payment issues with the T-Mobile app? You're not alone. Common problems include card declines, wallet failures, and billing address mismatches. The T-Mobile app facilitates mobile payments for services like bill payments, device purchases, and add-ons, often using credit debit cards, digital wallets like Apple Pay or Google Pay, or stored billing addresses. These issues often stem from app glitches, incorrect user input, or bank security protocols. Since the September update and stricter PCI compliance checks, some users face recurring payment failures, especially with third-party bank apps flagging transactions as suspicious. The most important fixes revolve around making sure the information entered and stored with T-Mobile match your payment source. To fix card declines, verify your card details in the Add Payment Method section. Ensure the billing address, expiration date, and CVV code match your bank's records exactly, including ZIPLA4 codes for US users. For wallet integration issues, enable wallet permissions in your device settings. Link your wallet to your T-Mobile account via OAuth authentication. If problems persist, reinstall the T-Mobile app and relink your wallet. To resolve billing address mismatches, update your address in the app's Account Billing tab. Confirm the changes sync with T-Mobile's backend, which can take a few minutes. Manually entering the address may resolve it, highlighting the need for GPS calibration in app settings. If these fixes don't work, clear the app cache, update to the latest version, and try again. For persistent issues, contact T-Mobile support with any error codes you receive.